Simple essay on the elephant for kids. The elephant is the largest land animal in the world. It has a big body, large ears, a long trunk, and strong legs. Elephants are usually gray in color and have small eyes. They have two long, white tusks made of ivory. Elephants are herbivores, which means they eat plants, grass, fruits, and leaves. They love bananas and sugarcane. They use their trunk to pick up food, drink water, and even spray water on themselves. Elephants are found in forests, especially in India, Africa, and Thailand. They live in groups called herds, led by the oldest female elephant. Elephants are very intelligent and gentle animals. They are often used in festivals, circuses, and temples. In some places, they help humans by carrying heavy loads and working in forests. We must protect elephants because they are important to nature. Poaching and deforestation are dangers to them. People should not harm elephants but help in saving them. Elephants are kind and loving animals. We should respect and care for them.